Hello, everyone. Let's clean this muddy Disney car. It's really fun.
That's me. You like them? Where did you get those?
Thanks for the help, Corporal.
Anything for one of Pop's mates.
Mayor, let's go! You're on!
Used so many magical birthday wishes, it's exhausting. Oh, who am I kidding?
Boy, you're in a heap of trouble.
Last offer. You buy one tire, I give you 7 snow tires for free.
Winners! A Tomica and...
What's your name, son?
Lightning McQueen.
Hey, yo, DJ!
Right there, in the hood, right?
Tesco's brought to a screeching halt.
Lately, McQueen is the first.
I miss you, Stanley. You sure knew how to treat a girl. Oh, by the way,
Hey, Lanny! Huh? You're home early today.
Well, Tex, you've been good to me all these years. It's the least I could do.
whatever happens, you're a winner.
Holly, pull up the pictures from the oil platform. I want to know what other type of cars were out there.
Right.
Pistón chiquis. Hay noticias. El chico Jackson Storm le acaba de poner...
Sorry, I already dedicated my Win Tomorrow tour. So if we both do it, it's...
What the hell? You are not a nice guy. Well, seriously, I gotta say, you do make a quality mud flap.
Hay que ir recto. Ya es suficiente. Y fuera.
Just me and the old man, fellas. McQueen just doesn't have it today.
I love this guy.
Hey! Act civilized. We got cuffs.
Don't look at me. I could use a break without either one of you.
Hey, Ramon can fix you up with...
Maybe ghost flames. You like old school pinstriping? Von Dutch style, huh?
Call out our speed!
208 miles per hour. 200...
You got a lot of stuff, kid.
Thanks, Doc.
It does sound a bit far-fetched.
Ollie, what are you doing there?
Hello, Mater. It's...
Trooper responded. Where's Vader? Right back. Put it in reverse, pal. Make room for...
On my way!
Ready, buddy? Ready. All right, then. Get it in.
The lightning McQueen, eh?
Look, I don't appreciate my best friend being insulted like that.
McQueen, that was...
Well, then race for me. Cax. Miss Cruz, I would be tickled pink to have.
The conspiracy, man! The oil companies got a grip on the government. They're feeding us a bunch.
Mama! Don't worry, Mama. McQueen is very sad. I will be.
Taking my nap?
Bring it on, old man.
Luigi?
Little bit of training.
Drop and give me 20 miles! Go, 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 go! Go!
Man! Now I've got.
Clear the starting line.
Man, I can't wait to get rocking. This.
Fight over everything. They fight over what Ferrari was the best Ferrari.